Hey everybody, in this problem we're going to graph the function y equals negative 3x using an input-output table. Okay, so first of all, come over here and grab a pen or marker of your choice. And let's first fill in this table. Okay, so we know when x equals 0, well, if I plug in 0 for x, negative 3 times 0 is going to be 0. So y is 0. Next one, when x is 1, well, negative 3 times 1 is going to be negative 3 for y. Next, when we have 2 for x, well, negative 3 times 2 is going to be negative 6. And finally, when we have 3 for x, well, negative 3 times 3 is going to be negative 9. All right, so let's finally plot these points. So if the first point we have is 0, 0. So that's the first point. And technically, all you need is 2 points to graph the graph, but we have 3 more here. So we have 1 and negative 3. We have 2 and negative 6, which would be slightly off the graph here like this. All right. And finally, our third point is 3 and negative 9, which would be way off the graph. Okay. So let's just connect the points that we have right now. And right there is the function y equals negative 3x.